Farm animals. Farm animals are also called domestic animals and pet animals. Cow. Cow is the farm animal. Sheep. Sheep is the farm animal. Dog. Dog is the farm animal. Rabbit. Rabbit is the farm animal. Kitten. Kitten is the farm animal. Donkey. Donkey is the farm animal. Goat. Goat is the farm animal. Camel. Camel is the farm animal. Horse. Horse is the farm animal. Buffalo. Buffalo is the farm animal. Chick. Chick is the farm animal. Rooster. Rooster is the farm animal. Hamster. Hamster is the farm animal. Hen. Hen is the farm animal. Cat. Cat is the farm animal. Duck. Duck is the farm animal. Bull. Bull is the farm animal. Rat. Rat is the farm animal. Ox. Ox is the farm animal. Lamb. Lamb is the farm animal. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.